What's going on, guys? Mr. Allen here, and we are about to graph this polynomial function. Let's see what we got. Let's see. It's negative. Oh my goodness, that's scaring me right now. All right, and we got 1, 2, 3 factors here, but one of them is squared, so this is a degree of 4 overall, a quartic function. All right, let's find all of our x-intercepts. We can do so by setting the factors equal to 0. So I'd have x plus 5 equals 0, and I'll get x equals negative 5. I can go ahead and plot that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then I'm going to take that x plus 1, set it equal to 0, and I'll get x equals negative 1. Plot that guy right there. Boom. We are cruising. All right, next one, x minus 3 equals 0. We'll deal with that squared in just a sec. I'm going to get x equals 3. So we've got 3 right here. Now, when it's squared like that, what happens is it bounces off that point rather than going through. All right. Now, the next thing I think we want to find here, how about our y-intercept? Sometimes you're asked for it, sometimes you're not. How do we get it, right? How do we get it? Well, the way we get that is that we plug in 0 for x. So I'd have 0 comma something. If I plug in 0, I'm going to have just my constants in each one of these to work with, right? So I'm going to have 5 times 1 is 5. And then I'd have negative 3, but it's getting squared, right? So that's 9. So you have 5 times 9. That's 45. But don't forget that negative out front, negative 45. All right. Boom. So that's going to be way the heck down. How about we go by 5s on the y-axis, because I think I got 9 here. One sec. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Woo! Perfect. We'll go by 5s. All right. Lovely. So now, and maybe we'll even label it 0 comma negative 45. Beautiful. Man, that looks like we know what we're doing. You know what I'm saying? All right. Let's connect some dots. Hold up. What shape is this going to be? Quartic functions are generally in the shape of a W, sometimes less pronounced humps in there, right? Or in the shape of an M. Since this particular function is negative, we're going to be going with this bottom one right here. So now we're going to make that shape fit on our graph. And keep in mind that yellow point right here, this yellow one, we're going to be bouncing off of it. All right, and this is where it gets a little bit tricky. So I'm going to start down low, head up through the orange one, down through the pink one, through my y-intercept, and then I come back up. I'm going to bounce and head back down. Boom. Big ol' M-shaped looking thing right there. Pretty solid work. All right. We don't necessarily know how high it's going. We could find that stuff out with our graphing calculator and things like that to get a maximum and all that stuff. But for now, I think that's a pretty solid graph. You guys have a good one.